Pear Deck for the math classroom. This is video 5. We're looking at the numerical response interactive slides as examples for something you can do with your math problems with your students. So to make one, it's real simple. So I'm just going to use this slide here, which this doesn't make sense, but maybe we change the question to how many more days until school's out for the summer, right? And they have to give you a number. So I'm going to make this a number slide. I click on number and as the interactive question. And now it's looking for a number from the students. So now let's look at what the students see when they look at one of these slides. So we're going to be looking at, here's one we did where we're looking at the idea of zero product property, right? We give them a long string of numbers, say, hey, mental math. And then we want to see if they just come up with 0 or if they get confused on this process. And then here's one where maybe we want them to do substitution and evaluate this expression. Just give me the number. We expect they can do it in their head or maybe just a piece of paper to the side, quickly figure it out. And then I want to show you, here's a template from Pear Deck. You know, you basically, now you customize the problem, right? Solve the problem type, the numerical number, you put your problem right here, you type in your problem and all that good stuff. So let's look at the student view. So the student view is they have the question here, and over here is where they enter their number. You can change it here as well, or you can just type in the number that they want for the response. This is student pay, so they're going through it. Here's the next one. They put in 24. Here's the next one. I just put in a number. Maybe I don't like that number. Maybe I think it's 576. Oh, maybe now 578, right? And like that, there's your number. It's in the system. So now, how do you see it as a teacher? Teacher, this is what it looks like for the number. It creates this graph, and you'd see a plethora of these red dots all over the place for all the different numbers that students picked. And hopefully you see a bunch on the 0, and you might see a few further away. Here's another one. So here's our number was 24. Did some people pick 0? Did some people pick 37? Some students will play with this. They'll start putting real large numbers and kind of throws off the scaling a little bit. But this is just a way for you to get a quick temperature of how many students are getting it correct and how many are making some mistakes when you ask your number questions, right? So simple as that. That's the number slide.